Hello everyone, welcome to IBT Learning Tutorials. Today in the Leadership Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to learn about the 5 P rules of life transformation. So first of all, tell me, are you ready for life transformation and success? Are you really looking forward to that success? Are you really looking forward to transform your life and reach that ultimate career transition or career potential? If the answer to all the above questions is yes, then let's learn what are these 5 P traits or personalities or qualities which makes you a leader and makes you stand out. Number one, positivity. A leader is always positive. In spite of the negative circumstances or the adversities, you have to be positive enough because you are a leader and you are representing a lot of people. A lot of people look up to you as a role model and they look up to you for their needs. So, what cannot be achieved once you set a positive frame of mind? Once you have a positive mindset, you can remove all barriers and cross those difficult paths, whether it is in your personal life or in professional life or in your business. You're bound to face challenges, difficulties, slowdowns, and whatnot. And people do get negative due to the ongoing circumstances and the situations, or sometimes the interference from some negative people, situations, or whatnot. But a leader never gets demotivated from such setbacks. So think wisely and have a positive frame of mind, because just think, if you think about the situation as temporary and momentarily, then you will see that this is just a phase and which is gonna pass. This will also pass soon because nothing is permanent. I'm not sure if you read the Hindu mythology or not, but I do read a lot. And if you have read Bhagavad Gita, they always say everything is transitionary in nature. Everything is temporary. Nothing is permanent here. So you are also temporary. Why to take that negativity in yourself, right? So be positive. If you want to grow and prosper as a leader, always think positive. Always have positive conversation with yourself and with others, right? Have a nice day. Next is passion. Be passionately working towards your goals. Be passionately working towards to achieve your dreams. Be passionately working towards what you want in life. Be passionately working to complete those dreams, those goals, those passions which you have already developed due to your hobby or your career. Try try to achieve them, or take time out from your life to work on those passions, because your passion brings you closer to your own self, your authentic self. Your passion drives you crazy to go after that goal, to crack that deal, to go after and give your best, right? So be passionate as a leader. Number three, the utmost quality which is required is being principled, being disciplined enough to complete your things on time. Set a delivery date for yourself. Set timelines for yourself. Complete every work on this set timelines or the deadlines which you have set for yourself and for others. Have that commitment, have that patience, have that confidence in yourself that I'm going to do that. Right? Be a principled person. Follow discipline. Be obedient. Do the but obvious things. Number four, productivity. Be productive at what you are doing. Be productive in your work, in your business, in whatever you are doing, whether you are at home, at business, at work, or even if you are at gym, you are working on your health, right? So be passionate and productive enough. Last but not the least, perseverance. Perseverance and patience goes hand in hand. And as a leader, you're going to face a lot of challenges and opportunities on your way ahead, and you have to deal with a lot of fights and setbacks, and you need to choose your battle really wisely. So there you need to deal with them calmly and patiently and sincerely. So have that perseverance and patience within yourself to deal with the situations with a composed mind, right? So these are my 5 P's uh, of leadership success and life hacks, and I hope these are going to help you out in some way or the other. So write down what are your 5 P's, I would like to know, for 2025, and in the comments below. Do like, share, follow, repost for more insights on leadership, training, mentoring, coaching. and connect with me for the same if you have more questions. Alright,